Kwaku woke up as the sun rose. His mother had prepared a breakfast of roasted yams, tomatoes, and onion. A couple centuries ago, European sailors had brought these plants from the Americas to West Africa. Western Europeans began arriving in West Africa as early as the 1400s. They enslaved West Africans to build their settlements. Because of the transatlantic slave trade between Europe, the Americas, and Africa, many different foods were exchanged between the continents. African foods such as okra, watermelon, and coffee were exported to the Americas. Corn, potatoes, and sugarcane from the Americas were brought to Africa. Europeans brought cows and the culture